Hey guys, how are you? So, I just want to keep you guys update. I want to give you guys an update about my indoor garden in New York City. So far this is what I have done so far in my living room. If you guys can see here. So here I have coyote and some other roots planted here. This is linaza plus beans, and as well I have. Give me one second. Um, Brussels, pineapples, Chinese onions. So over here on this section I have melons as well as linaza, some linaza plants. These are onions and potatoes, as well as here onions and potatoes. So over here I have two type of potatoes, just regular yellow potatoes and as well as red potato, the red and black potatoes. So you guys can see it's coming all over the place. Um, that's supposed to be cilantro in there. There's some more cilantro plants, and these are strawberries. Right there. These are strawberries. These are melon plants in here. Some more strawberries. I have strawberries pretty much placed all over the place. This thing here, what do you call it? Alright, these are this. I don't know, I don't, let me see. Yeah, it doesn't. These are peas. Peas. Estos son chícharos. So these are peas. Y esto es puerro. Esto es un puerro que ya está floreciendo ya. Alright, this is it for this section over here in the living room. So it looks like very comfy here. Just want to give you guys like a look. These are the seeds that I have planted all over the place. So I spread these seeds everywhere. Morning glories. Let me show you guys the morning glories. These are the morning glories in here. So I planted a couple of morning glories. This is the other section in my bedroom. Right here. Let me show you guys. So these are my paints. What I call the Gospel of Israel. So right here I have more Chinese onions. One Chinese onion, 2, 3, 4, and pretty much it's like 11 Chinese onions together. Aquí tengo cactus, sweet potato, Korean sweet potatoes. I have more beans growing here. These are my money trees, bamboo trees in here. I have 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. As well, I have a couple in here. I have 1 in here, and I have 1 more in here. This is another one. So these are my potato plants in here, and these are the morning glories. So morning glories are spread all over the place, like I told you guys. These are more peas. I have peas in here as well. You guys can see more over here, and it's everywhere. These are garlic in here, guys. Look at these garlics. They are so grown. Look at it. Let me show you guys from the roots. So that's a garlic plant in there. As well as over here I have 1. And and there's one. It's a couple. I have like 7. You guys see over there, right there. These are Brussels that I have here. 1, 2, 3 Brussels, and this is a big onion. Like I think it's yellow onion, the bigger size, as well as the red onion, but this is the giant size as well. Morning glories, morning glories, morning glories. So morning glories here, morning's glories here, morning's glories here, as well as morning glories here. Morning glories here, and this is just kern, and I have sweet pepper planted there, and kern, and I have other stuff right there. That's so lechuga romana, I think it's some sorts of letters, and that's celery, giant celery. That's kale over there, and purple. That's my purple cabbage. And let me go a little bit more. Some over here. Let me get down here. So right here, I want to show you guys my carrot plants. These are carrots. You see? Let me see. I have one more, and more beans plants in here. How you doing, guys? I hope you're having a good day with Israel and my indoor garden in New York City. God bless you all. All right, let's continue. So I have another carrot in here, right there. You see another. I'm trying to get seeds for the next season next year, for next spring. And the kale. Let me see. I need to focus this right there. You guys see it? All right. So there it is, the tomato plant. And right here, guys, the best of the best. Chayote. Look at this pretty chayote plant that I have right there. But not only that, look over the horizon right there. So let me get a close show out to you guys. Close up. Just to show you the chayote plant that I'm talking. You guys can see here morning glories everywhere. Morning glories, morning glories, morning glories. These are beets. I'm supposed to get some. I want it in bloom, and then as well as this onion, so I can get some seeds for the next season. Right here, celery. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to show you my strawberry plants. These are some Chinese plants that I went to get on Flushing Queens. This one and the other one down there. You see it? Sometimes I go around the city to different neighborhood, Russian neighborhood, Chinese neighborhood, African neighborhood, Spanish neighborhood to get plants. I want to get all the plants, all type of vegetables, plants, and stuff. So yeah, I want to show you guys the chayote. You see it? One. Let me show you. 1, 2. And there's another one. And right here, 3. 1, 2, 3. Coming from here, you see? 1, 2, 3. And I have the other one. That's the black chayote right there. This is just coming up. Hopefully, yeah. It seems, like it have adapted to the soil and to the environment. Don't forget, guys, that this is inside my apartment. This is my indoor apartment in New York City. So I have them close to the window because I want them to get sun to the moss. So here are more cilantro plants. These are more cilantro plants that I have in here. As well, oh, I forgot to show you guys. I have my asparagus roots right there. You see it? It's just growing that little thing in there. I spare a couple of roots in here as well. And what do you think? So far, so good. And this is just next to my pillow. Right here on my bed. So, what else? So, you guys see the coyote, right? 1, 2. Right there is the other one. 1 and 2. And here on this side, we have number 3 right here. So, they're gonna be connected through this cord system that I built. So, from one side, they're just gonna run over to the other side to get the sun. So hopefully within 2 months or 3 months, this will be covered with leaves. All right, guys. This is it pretty much for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like and comment. I'm Israel, your host over here. God bless you and have a beautiful day. Ciao. Bye-bye.